What should I do if the WPS button doesn't work on my router?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll discuss what you can do if the WPS button on your router isn't working. The WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, button is typically used to quickly connect devices to your Wi-Fi network without entering a password. If you're facing issues with your WPS button, don't worry. We'll go through some troubleshooting steps to help you out.
Check for compatibility.
The first thing you want to do is check if your device supports WPS. While most modern routers have this feature, some older devices might not be compatible. Verify that both your router and the device you're trying to connect support WPS. This information can usually be found in the user manuals or on the manufacturer's website.
Restart your router.
Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve various connectivity issues, including problems with the WPS button. Unplug your router's power cord, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give your router a couple of minutes to reboot and stabilize. Once it's up and running, try using the WPS button again to see if it now works.
Use the WPS PIN method.
If the WPS button is still unresponsive, you can try the WPS PIN method as an alternative. On your router, there should be a label with a PIN number. Access your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for the option to enter a WPS PIN. Enter the PIN displayed on the router label and follow the on-screen instructions. This method allows you to connect devices without using the physical WPS button.
Update your router's firmware.
Outdated router firmware can sometimes cause issues with the WPS button functionality. To ensure your router is running the latest software, visit the manufacturer's website and look for firmware updates specifically for your router model. Follow the provided instructions to download and install the update. After the update is complete, test the WPS button again to check if the problem has been resolved.
Factory reset your router.
If all else fails, you can perform a factory reset on your router. Keep in mind that this will erase all your personalized settings, so it's important to have any necessary information, such as your ISP login credentials, at hand before proceeding. The process for resetting your router may vary depending on the model, so consult the user manual or the manufacturer's website for detailed instructions. After the reset, set up your router again and test the WPS button. And that's it. We've gone through some troubleshooting steps to help you if the WPS button on your router isn't working. Remember to check compatibility, restart your router, try the WPS PIN method, update your router's firmware, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. If the problem persists even after trying these steps, it may be worth reaching out to the router's manufacturer or your internet service provider for further assistance. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.